welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make a quick video. I'm still recording on my laptop because I haven't been able to fix my camera and I just wanted to record another video. I'm recording standing up in the kitchen, as you can see. Hopefully it's not too messy. But anyways, I'm going to be unboxing a little package right here that I got from BzzAgent, and I just got it like a few days ago, so I just wanted to share it with you guys. If you don't know what BzzAgent is, it's a company that sends out free stuff for you to review, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will have a link down below if you guys want to sign up. It's completely free. I had applied for this brand for BzzAgent, and I don't know what happened, but BzzAgent sent me an email saying that the company canceled that campaign or something like that, and that they were still gonna send me the product and I could just keep it and I don't have to write a review or anything. So yeah, I don't have to like review or anything. So let's see what it is, because I can't remember. They also have a card from BzzAgent, and here is what they sent me. Hopefully it's not something embarrassing. Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so they did send me like a full-size Hydra Luminous Hydrating Dual Face Mask. So that's pretty cool. Looks a little melted. I think it is melted. I don't think it's supposed to be like that, but whatever. Anyways, I'm super excited to try this out. I have tried a lot of products by No. 7 and I have liked them, so I'm excited to try this one out. This one is the dual face mask, instant and long-lasting hydration for visibly healthier looking skin. And it has hyaluronic acid and pollution shield technology. And it says, for best results, apply to face and neck after cleansing, relax, and then rinse off after 10 minutes or leave to soak into skin overnight. Can be used 2 to 3 times a week. So that's pretty cool. So let me know if you guys have tried this product out and what do you guys think. I thought I had something on my nail, but I don't. But anyways, super excited for this. It has a little thing on the top. There it is. That's what it looks like. It feels fresh. This smells fresh. Like, it kind of reminds me of like that lotion or that moisturizer, the Pond's. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. I feel like it smells like that. It smells fresh, it smells good. So yeah, it's pretty much clear. So that's nice, and it does feel moisturizing. But anyways, that is what I got from BzzAgent. Let me know what you guys have received from them, if you guys are already signed up to them. And if you're not signed up to BzzAgent, I will have a link down below so you guys could do it. It's completely free. So yeah, anyways, this video is pretty short, but I hope you guys don't mind. And yeah, anyways, so I will talk to you guys later. Let me know if you guys have any video requests and I will do them. It could be anything, I don't care. If you guys want me to do vlogs, I could do vlogs, makeup videos, I don't know, anything that you guys want to see, I can do it. So yeah, anyway, so that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.